Mubarak. Eid al-Adha 2026 date and significance. Everything you need to know about Bakrid. Eid al-Adha, which is also known as the Bakrid, is an important festival to be celebrated by the Muslims across the world. In the year 2026, it is observed on the 20th May and depending on the sighting of the moon. This festival symbolizes the faith, sacrifice, devotion and compassion. It commemorates the Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering obedience to Allah and willingness to sacrifice as an act of the faith. What is Eid al-Adha? Eid al-Adha is often called the festival of sacrifice, and it is one of the two major Islamic festivals, the other being Eid al-Fitr. The festival marks the deep devotion of the Prophet Ibrahim toward Allah. As per the Islamic belief, Allah tested Prophet Ibrahim by asking him to sacrifice his beloved son. Ibrahim had accepted the command without hesitation and demonstrated complete faith and obedience. However, this before the sacrifice could take place, Allah replaced his son with a sheep and rewarding Ibrahim's loyalty and devotion. Why is Bakrid celebrated? Bakrid is celebrated to honor the faith in Allah, selflessness and sacrifice, compassion towards others, charity and social responsibility. The festival teaches that devotion to God should rise above the personal desires and attachments. It also reminds people to help the poor and share blessings with society. Eid al-Adha in 2026 is to be celebrated on the 20th May 2026. The festival is observed on the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah, the final month of the Islamic calendar. Importance of sacrifice in Eid al-Adha. One of the main central rituals of Bakrid is Qurbani or animal sacrifice. Financially capable Muslims sacrifice an animal such as the goat, sheep, camel, cow, depending on local laws and customs. The sacrifice symbolizes the Prophet Ibrahim's devotion and willingness to obey Allah. Distribution of meat. Traditionally, the meat is divided into three parts, like one part of the family, one part for the relatives and friends, one part for the poor and needy. This promises equality, sharing and compassion within society. Eid prayers and religious observances. The festival begins with the special congregational prayer known as Eid Salah. These prayers are usually performed in mosques, Eidgah ground, open public spaces. The prayer consists of 2 rakat units of prayers followed by a khutbah sermon. The sermon focuses on the sacrifice, humanity, brotherhood, compassion, gratitude. After prayers, people greet each other with the Eid Mubarak, charity and helping the poor. Charity is also an important part of Eid al-Adha. Muslims are encouraged to donate food, offer financial help, share sacrificial meat, support underprivileged families. The festival emphasizes that the celebration should include everyone and especially those who are less fortunate. Eid al-Adha coincides with the completion of the Hajj, that is the annual Islamic pilgrimage to Makkah. Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Millions of the Muslims from all around the world travel to Saudi Arabia each year to perform this sacred pilgrimage. Thus, Eid al-Adha carries both spiritual and global religious importance.